You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at NetSoftITAcademy.com. www.NetSoftITAcademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 10, Managing Billing in Jira Service Management. Let's move ahead. To perform this lab, we need to log in into home.atlassian and then click on Jira Service Management. Click on Settings, which is on top right corner. Click on Setting. Go to User Management. This is our administration page. On administration page, left panel, we are going to click on Billing. In Billing Preview, under Organization Wide, next to Service Collection, we are going to click on Manage. Click on Manage. And on subscription detail, on this three dot, we are going to click on Manage Customer Account. Here we are going to add Megan Fox. Let's add the email ID of Megan Fox. We are going to click on Add Contact. Once this is done, click on Close. Now, we are going to move ahead. On admin page, we are going to click on Quote. Quotes are there. Okay. We will review the detail. We have not added any quote as of now. We are going to click on Billing Profile. We are going to click on Payment Method, which we have not added, and you are not supposed to add or provide any banking detail. It's not required. And then we are going to click on Addresses. We'll validate these details. We are going to click on Billing Permissions. These are the billing permission. We are going to click on Invoice. There should be no invoice generated as of now. And with this, we will close this tab. With this, we have completed lab number 10. Where we saw how to manage billing in Jira Service Management. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at NetSoftITAcademy.com. www.NetSoftITAcademy.com.